realm of riddles.
You're an archaeologist on a mission to gain access to the sealed tomb of a famous pharaoh in Egypt. Inside the long and dark halls, you find your path blocked by a large door with a puzzle on it. Next to the door, you manage to decipher an inscription that reads as follows. For you to open the door, you must see the world as we see it, a reflection of the real world. However, have a faulty eye, and in this crumbling tomb, you will meet your demise. Each row of the puzzle is independent and has its separate buttons. Pressing a button slides the row in that direction. It seems to you like the correct symbol must be selected on each row for you to gain access to the tomb. Can you find the correct combination and open the door, avoiding your demise? Pause the riddle now to solve it for yourself. The symbols must be ordered based on how high you would expect to see them in the world. The sun is the highest in the sky, then the clouds, the birds, humans are on the ground, and moles below it. You unlock the door successfully and proceed forward, thrilled by the adventure.